to Wade's Weekly Update. Today is Monday, March the 3rd, and I, of course, am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with Benchmark Home Loans here in Mt Juliet, Tennessee. As I said, today is Monday, March 3rd, and if you've been outside, the weather's a little treacherous. It's actually a little bit worse than I expected it. But you know, if you're out there, be safe and certainly go slow. So anyway, what's going on in the real estate and mortgage market here in Mt Juliet and the rest of Middle Tennessee? The real estate market's still going really good, and from what I saw this weekend at the Eastern Middle Tennessee Association, a realtor banquet, and quite a big crowd there. Lots of people sold some real estate last year, so that's awesome. I know the crowd seems to be growing, so that means real estate business is getting better. Congratulations to everybody that was there and won an award for your production last year. It's great recognition. So the weather's been a little bad, so the real estate market's, you know, it's still going good, but it's we need that weather to really turn and get us into spring. But the Fed actually announced just over the last week that interest rates will remain low, so that just lets you know they're doing everything they can to keep those interest rates where they have been over the last several months. And so I wanted to go over step number 3 in Wade's 5 easy steps for applying for a mortgage. Of course, number 1 was to sit down and figure out your budget. You know, what you are comfortable spending on a monthly basis on your housing. Number 2 was to go apply for a mortgage with a mortgage professional. You know, kind of lay out all the details financially, what you can put down if you're looking to do first-time home buyer programs, et cetera, et cetera. Find out what you can buy, along with what you're willing to pay for. And then step number 3 is actually to provide documentation to support everything that was in that application. So what we need as far as documentation, you're looking at W-2s, tax returns, assets. So whatever assets you've got that you're going to bring to the closing table for down payment and closing costs, we have to verify those things. So there's quite a bit of documentation, but they will, whoever you're working with should do a pretty good job of letting you know exactly what's needed and why. And you know, it's basically the main point with the documentation is to verify that when the underwriter sees your file and sees the documentation, we can prove that the information in the application is correct. So I always say make sure you get your documentation to your lender up front, so we can verify that we're working with the correct numbers. It's kind of vital. So that's really all I've got today. Again, I am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man. If I can ever do anything to help you, real estate agents out there, if you want to close more deals on time every time is kind of our motto, and that's just the way we do it. So if you'd like to get more referral business by closing your deals on time every time, let's sit down and chat and see what we can do. But again, I'm Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man. If I can ever do anything to help you, 615-335-3356. Feel free to shoot me a text or give me a phone call. I'll be glad to do what I can. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great week. Bye-bye.